Did you know that Jamaica's tourism industry is booming? It's true. More and more people are discovering this Caribbean gem. But here's a thought. What if you could own a piece of this paradise? What if you could invest in Jamaican real estate and reap the rewards? It's a question more and more people are asking. Jamaica, with its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and friendly people, is becoming a hotspot for property investors. But like any investment, it's essential to do your homework. That's what we're here to do today. We'll explore the ins and outs of investing in Jamaican real estate, from the potential pitfalls to the incredible opportunities. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Why are savvy investors turning their attention to Jamaica? Well, for starters, the island boasts a stable government and a growing economy. Tourism, a major driver of the Jamaican economy, is experiencing a remarkable upswing. This growth translates into a thriving rental market. Imagine owning a vacation property that generates income when you're not enjoying it yourself. The demand for holiday rentals in Jamaica is high, making it an attractive prospect for investors. But it's not just about the numbers. Jamaica offers a unique lifestyle. The laid-back island vibe, the delicious cuisine, and the vibrant music scene are just a few reasons why people fall in love with Jamaica. Owning property here allows you to immerse yourself in this incredible culture and create lasting memories. So, if you're looking for an investment that offers both financial and lifestyle rewards, Jamaica is calling. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Investing in a foreign country, even one as beautiful as Jamaica, comes with its own set of challenges. It's important to be aware of these hurdles before you jump in. One concern for many potential investors is market volatility. Like any real estate market, Jamaica's property prices can fluctuate. Global economic conditions, local tourism trends, even the weather can impact property values. It's crucial to do your research and understand the factors that can influence the market. Don't just follow the hype. Look at historical data, consult with local experts, and get a feel for the long-term trends. Remember, investing in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. While short-term fluctuations are normal, a well-chosen property in a desirable location should appreciate in value over time. Another important consideration is the legal framework. Jamaica has its own set of laws and regulations regarding property ownership, especially for foreign investors. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these laws to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction. For instance, there are specific procedures for purchasing land and obtaining the necessary permits. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds, but it does require careful attention to detail. That's where a reputable local lawyer comes in. They can guide you through the legal processes, ensure all paperwork is in order, and protect your interests. Think of it as an investment in peace of mind. Remember, a little due diligence goes a long way in ensuring a successful and enjoyable real estate investment journey in Jamaica. So, we've talked about the potential challenges, but what about the opportunities? Well, despite the fluctuations, the Jamaican real estate market is generally on an upward trajectory. Tourism is booming, and with it comes an increasing demand for vacation homes, rental properties, and even retirement residences. This demand creates excellent potential for investors looking for healthy returns. However, it's not just about riding the wave of tourism. Jamaica's economy is diversifying, with sectors like logistics, manufacturing, and technology showing promising growth. This diversification attracts foreign investment and creates a more stable and resilient economy, which ultimately benefits the real estate market. So while it's essential to be mindful of market volatility, it's equally important to recognize the underlying strength and growth potential of the Jamaican economy. This positive economic outlook, combined with the island's undeniable allure, makes for an enticing investment proposition. Just like anywhere else in the world, location is key when it comes to Jamaican real estate. Different areas offer different vibes and investment opportunities. Let's explore some of the most sought-after locations for property buyers. First up, we have Montego Bay, the tourism capital of Jamaica. Known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, and luxury resorts, Montego Bay is a magnet for tourists. Investing in a property here means tapping into a steady stream of holidaymakers looking for their slice of paradise. Next, we head east to Ocho Rios, another popular tourist destination. Ocho Rios boasts stunning waterfalls, lush rainforests, and a more laid-back atmosphere than Montego Bay. It's a great option for those seeking a quieter escape while still being close to attractions and amenities. Now that we've explored some prime locations, let's talk about the types of properties you can find in Jamaica. Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious beachfront villa or a charming cottage nestled in the hills, there's something for everyone. For those seeking the ultimate in luxury and privacy, a private villa with stunning ocean views is a dream come true. These properties often come with private pools, lush gardens, and staff to cater to your every need. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore and enjoying breakfast with panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. If you're looking for a more affordable option with excellent rental potential, condos and apartments are a popular choice. Many modern developments offer amenities like swimming pools, fitness centers, and 24/7 security, providing a comfortable and convenient lifestyle for residents and holidaymakers alike. The numbers game understanding Jamaican real estate prices. Of course, no discussion about real estate would be complete without talking about prices. So, how much can you expect to pay for your piece of Jamaican paradise? Well, it depends on a variety of factors, including location, property type, size, and condition. As you might expect, beachfront properties in popular tourist areas like Montego Bay and Ocho Rios command premium prices. However, you can find more affordable options in other areas, or by considering properties slightly inland from the coast. It's also worth noting that the Jamaican real estate market is generally more affordable than other popular Caribbean destinations. This affordability, combined with the potential for strong rental income, makes Jamaica an attractive option for investors looking for value for their money. Beyond the beach, exploring Jamaica's hidden gems. While Jamaica's beaches are undeniably alluring, there's so much more to this diverse island than meets the eye. Venture beyond the coast, and you'll discover hidden gems, charming towns, and a rich cultural tapestry waiting to be explored. For those seeking a taste of authentic Jamaican life, a visit to the capital city, Kingston, is a must. This bustling metropolis is a hub of culture, history, and nightlife. Explore the Bob Marley Museum, sample delicious street food, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this captivating city. If you prefer a quieter pace of life, head to the lush parish of Portland. Known for its stunning natural beauty, including the iconic Blue Lagoon and the cascading waters of Reach Falls, Portland offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. Sustainable investments, ecotourism, and green living in paradise. As awareness of environmental issues grows, so too does the demand for sustainable tourism and eco-friendly living. Jamaica is at the forefront of this movement, with a growing number of eco-resorts, sustainable tourism initiatives, and green building practices. Investing in an eco-friendly property in Jamaica not only aligns with your values, but also taps into a niche market of environmentally conscious travelers. Imagine owning a solar-powered villa surrounded by lush rainforest or a beachfront property that prioritizes conservation and sustainable practices. By choosing a sustainable investment, you're not only securing a piece of paradise, but also contributing to the long-term health and well-being of this beautiful island nation. It's a win-win situation for both investors and the environment. Now let's talk about what you've all been waiting for. The success stories. It's all well and good to talk about potential, but seeing real people achieve real profits is what it's all about. Take, for instance, the story of a retired couple from the UK, let's call them John and Mary. They always dreamed of owning a piece of paradise, and they found it in a charming cottage in a peaceful gated community near Ocho Rios. They purchased the property with a portion of their retirement savings, and now enjoy a steady stream of rental income from tourists seeking an authentic Jamaican experience. They even have enough left over to enjoy their own holidays there several times a year. Or consider the story of a young entrepreneur, let's call him David, who saw the potential of Jamaica's growing tourism industry. He invested in a small apartment complex near Montego Bay, catering to budget-conscious travelers. These success stories highlight the diverse range of opportunities available in the Jamaican real estate market. But it's not just about traditional vacation rentals. Savvy investors are discovering unique and potentially lucrative niches. One such niche is the ecotourism sector. As more and more travelers seek sustainable and eco-friendly options, the demand for eco-lodges, yoga retreats, and nature-based resorts is on the rise. Investing in this sector aligns with the growing trend of responsible tourism and offers potentially high returns. Another emerging opportunity lies in the development of retirement communities. Jamaica's warm climate, relaxed lifestyle, and English-speaking population make it an attractive destination for retirees from North America and Europe. Developing properties specifically designed to meet the needs of this demographic could prove to be a lucrative investment. But investing in Jamaican real estate isn't just about the financial returns. It's about embracing a lifestyle. It's about waking up to the sound of the ocean, feeling the warmth of the Jamaican sun on your skin, and immersing yourself in the vibrant culture of this island nation. It's about owning a piece of paradise where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, reconnect with nature, and create unforgettable memories with loved ones. Imagine spending your days exploring hidden waterfalls, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, and savoring the flavors of authentic Jamaican cuisine. These intangible rewards, the experiences and memories you create, are priceless. They are what truly make investing in Jamaican real estate so special. It's about more than just bricks and mortar. It's about investing in a lifestyle that enriches your life in countless ways. The Jamaican advantage. Why choose this Caribbean gem? So why choose Jamaica over other Caribbean destinations? Well, aside from its undeniable beauty and charm, Jamaica offers a unique combination of factors that make it an attractive investment destination. Firstly, the Jamaican government is actively encouraging foreign investment, particularly in the tourism and real estate sectors. They have implemented policies to streamline the investment process, making it easier for foreigners to purchase property and do business in Jamaica. Secondly, Jamaica boasts a stable democracy and a well-established legal system, providing investors with peace of mind and security. The country also benefits from a strong infrastructure, including modern airports, well-maintained roads, and reliable utilities. So there you have it. We've taken a deep dive into the world of Jamaican real estate investment, exploring the challenges, the opportunities, and the unique appeal of this Caribbean gem. From the stunning beaches of Montego Bay to the tranquil shores of Portland, Jamaica offers a diverse range of investment possibilities to suit every taste and budget. Whether you're seeking a luxurious vacation home, a steady stream of rental income, or a life-changing lifestyle investment, Jamaica has something to offer. Remember those success stories we shared? They're not just anecdotes. They represent the very real potential of the Jamaican real estate market. With careful planning, thorough research, and a dash of island spirit, you too can reap the rewards of owning a piece of paradise. But beyond the financial gains, investing in Jamaican real estate is an investment in your future happiness and well-being. It's an opportunity to escape the ordinary, embrace a slower pace of life, and create lasting memories in one of the most beautiful corners of the world. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves lapping at the shore, feeling the warm Caribbean breeze on your skin, and starting your day with a cup of Blue Mountain coffee as the sun rises over the turquoise waters. This is the Jamaican dream, and it's within your reach. So why wait? Take the first step towards your Jamaican adventure today. Start researching, explore your options, and discover the endless possibilities that await you in this island paradise. Your dream of owning a piece of Jamaica could become a reality sooner than you think. What are your thoughts on Jamaican real estate? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more real estate investment strategies.